In the realm of web development, where static pages have given way to dynamic and interactive experiences, server-side scripting languages reign supreme. Among these languages, PHP stands tall, a venerable giant powering millions of websites across the globe. This essay delves into the world of PHP, exploring its history, its strengths, and its enduring relevance in the ever-evolving digital landscape. PHP, an acronym that originally stood for Personal Homepage, has evolved to mean Hypertext Preprocessor, a more accurate reflection of its capabilities. It's a scripting language that operates on the server side, meaning the code is executed on the web server before being sent to the user's browser. This server-side execution allows for dynamic content generation, database interaction, and other powerful features that bring websites to life. Imagine a website displaying the latest news articles. With PHP, the website can connect to a database, fetch the most recent articles, and display them dynamically on the page. This dynamic content generation is a cornerstone of modern web development, enabling websites to be more than just static brochures. From humble beginnings as a personal project, to its current status as a cornerstone of web development, PHP's journey has been marked by innovation and adaptation. Let's delve deeper into its origins, tracing its evolution from a simple scripting language to a robust platform for building dynamic web applications. The story of PHP begins in 1994 with Rasmus Lerdorf, a Danish-Canadian programmer, who needed a way to track visits to his online resume. Lerdorf created a set of Common Gateway Interface (CGI) scripts in the C programming language, which he called Personal Homepage Tools. These scripts formed the earliest iteration of what we now know as PHP. As Lerdorf expanded the functionality of his tools, he released the source code to the public in 1995. This open-source approach proved pivotal, fostering a community of developers who contributed to PHP's growth. PHP's enduring popularity stems from a potent combination of simplicity and power. Its syntax, drawing inspiration from C and Perl, is relatively easy to learn, even for novice programmers. This low barrier to entry makes PHP an attractive option for aspiring web developers. Furthermore, PHP runs on a variety of operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and macOS, making it highly portable. This cross-platform compatibility allows developers to choose their preferred development environment without worrying about compatibility issues. PHP's strength lies in its ability to seamlessly integrate with HTML, the language of the web. PHP code can be embedded directly within HTML markup, allowing developers to dynamically generate web page content. This tight integration simplifies the development process, enabling developers to create dynamic web pages without writing extensive code. Moreover, PHP boasts a vast and active community of developers who contribute to its growth, provide support, and share their knowledge. This vibrant community ensures that PHP remains relevant, up-to-date, and constantly evolving to meet the demands of the ever-changing web development landscape. Section 4. PHP versus the rest. A look at Python, Ruby, and more. While PHP holds a prominent position in the world of server-side scripting languages, it's not alone in this realm. Other languages, such as Python and Ruby, also offer compelling features and capabilities. Let's compare PHP with these contenders, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. Python, known for its readability and elegance, has gained significant traction in web development, particularly in data-driven applications. Its extensive libraries and frameworks, such as Django and Flask, provide a robust foundation for building complex web applications. However, Python's performance can sometimes lag behind PHP, especially in resource-intensive scenarios. Ruby, with its focus on developer productivity and happiness, has garnered a loyal following, particularly among startups and smaller businesses. Its framework, Ruby on Rails, emphasizes convention over configuration, enabling rapid development. However, Ruby's learning curve can be steeper than PHP's, and its performance may not always match PHP's efficiency. PHP, while not as elegant as Python or as opinionated as Ruby, strikes a balance between ease of use, performance, and a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. Its long history and widespread adoption ensure a wealth of resources, tutorials, and a supportive community. Section 5. The mechanics of PHP, how it powers dynamic websites. To understand PHP's role in web development, it's crucial to grasp how it interacts with the client-server model that underpins the internet. When a user requests a PHP page, the request is sent to the web server, which hosts the PHP interpreter. The PHP interpreter parses the requested PHP file, executing the embedded PHP code. This code can perform a variety of tasks, such as fetching data from a database, processing user input, or generating dynamic content. Once the PHP interpreter finishes executing the code, it sends the resulting output, typically in HTML format, back to the web server. The web server then transmits this output to the user's browser, which renders the page for the user to view. This client-server interaction, facilitated by PHP, enables the creation of dynamic and interactive web experiences. Instead of serving static HTML files, web servers can use PHP to generate content on the fly, tailoring the user experience based on various factors such as user preferences, database information, or real-time data. Section 6, Unveiling PHP's Strengths, Open Source, Cross-Platform, and Database Friendly. PHP's appeal extends beyond its ease of use and dynamic capabilities. It boasts a trio of key strengths that solidify its position as a leading server-side scripting language. It's open source, cross-platform, and database-friendly. Being open source means that PHP's source code is freely available for anyone to use, modify, and distribute. This openness fosters a collaborative environment where developers can contribute to PHP's growth, fix bugs, and enhance its functionality. Moreover, the lack of licensing fees makes PHP an attractive option for businesses of all sizes. PHP's cross-platform nature further enhances its appeal. It runs seamlessly on various operating systems including Windows, Linux, and macOS, providing developers with flexibility in choosing their development environment. This portability ensures that PHP applications can be deployed on a wide range of servers without compatibility issues. Database interaction is a cornerstone of many web applications, and PHP excels in this area. It supports a wide array of databases including MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB, providing developers with the flexibility to choose the best database for their application's needs. PHP's database connectivity functions streamline the process of interacting with databases, making it easier to build data-driven web applications.